Hi, Tim Peasy here with Fishing for a Living Guide Service. It's been a while since I did any tips, so I thought I would do one on handling walleyes by yourself with planer board. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Mercury Marine, Nitro Boats, Vexan Walleye Rods, and Fin Wing Spoons. I was reeling the walleye in and letting the other line out, as you can hear in the background. As you can see, I like to hold the rod against my body, standing up as I take off the planer board. Keeping the line tight is the key here. Keep your net handy, and maybe a walleye like this will end up in your net using a modified fin wing spoon.